Hi, I'm Tammy Johnson. I'm here to show you donning and doffing. On this skill, you will have a gown and you will have a pair of gloves. And that's the only equipment that you'll be using. I'm going to move this out of the way so that you can see me put the gown on. Now, I'm also going to mention that I'm going to remove my watch and any jewelry. So I'm going to remove my watch. I will put it in my pocket and I will pull my uniform sleeves up. I will then gently unfold the gown, don't let it touch the floor. There's not any particular way that you have to put the gown on because your hands are clean and at this point the gown's clean. But I do like to kind of get it where the sleeves are comfortable and the strings are where they're supposed to be. Now I'm going to put it on and I'm going to assure that it is covering me from the neck to my knees, and this is a critical step, so don't miss this step, that it is covering you in the back. If not, you can use a second gown and you just garbleize that. In nursing, we always work top to bottom or head to toe, so I'm going to get my strings and I'm going to tie them. Give them a loose tie so they'll be easy to get off. And then I'm going to wrap the strings around, and you can tie them in the back, again assuring that you're covered, or that you can tie them on the side but never in the front. Okay, then you will put your gloves on, assuring that they are covering the cuff of your gown. And then you will hold your hands up and say that you've performed your care in the room, and then you're going to remove your gloves as we have removed them correctly on any of the other skills, grasping, pulling them down, rolling them, 2 fingers, and then throwing those away. You then will loosen your top ties, loosen your bottom ties, and then in your skill book it's wanting you to pull your gown down. It said kind of with the same hand, but as long as you put your hand inside the gown and not touch the outside, roll it down, because then you're touching the inside of the gown, which is considered clean. Then reach over here, unfold it, making it go from the inside goes to the outside, fold it over, roll it down, and discard that plug and do hand hygiene. Thank you.